I noticed a new Windows 11 update waiting to be installed on my device. It was a quick security update, and I want to show you exactly what it does. This update is for the Windows security platform KB5007651. Unlike cumulative updates, it's pushed periodically to keep your security app and core antivirus services up to date. Here's what you need to know. The update installs in seconds and doesn't require a restart. The KB number stays the same, but the version updates. The latest version is 10.0.2951.0.101. It updates the Windows security app and its underlying services, including core anti-malware components. One visible change is the modernized Windows security icon. Other than that, everything else remains the same. The update cannot be uninstalled, and that's normal. Should you worry? No. As long as your Windows security app opens without a blank screen, the update is working quietly in the background, keeping your antivirus running smoothly. So, if you see this update on your Windows Update page, it's just Microsoft maintaining your device's security. No action is required beyond installing it. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.